Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna review this Avime Herbal Kesh Pallav handmade hair oil. So if you're interested, then keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so coming to the product, it is a handmade hair oil and it retails for 650 rupees for 100 ml of the product, which is quite expensive for an hair oil. Okay, now coming to the ingredients, which is its main highlight, it has a blend of hair oils, and such as it has cold pressed coconut oil, it has amla, it has bringraj, brahmini, hibiscus, curry leaves, it does have rosemary oil as well, it has sunflower, pumpkin, black sesame, and a lot of hair oils, a blend of hair oils, as I said. Okay, so coming to the product, as you can see, I have used this much of the hair oil, and you need very little oil with this because of the hair oil dispenser that has been given with the product. Okay, and I have been using it for 1.5 months consistently, and I can now actually tell you whether it works or not. So if you are interested, then please see the video till the end. Okay, so yeah, let's just now see how to apply it. Okay, so this is the product, and the oil dispenser really helps in getting a control over the quantity of oil that you put in your hair, and you don't need a lot with this. Now let's just talk about what the product claims. The product claims that it helps in regrowth of your hair, it helps in reducing the amount of dandruff in your hair, it also helps with the problem of gray hair as well, and also with hair fall. So these are the claims of the product, and I think it works to an extent. Okay, of course, healthy lifestyle, yoga, exercises and food, everything contributes to your quality of your hair, but yes, this product will work to a certain extent, which I can assure you. And it is also working for me. I am seeing the results. I'm not saying that it has reduced my hair fall or something, no, but yes, it has definitely started, my hair has definitely started to feel a lot more better nowadays. And about regrowth, I can't comment on that because it will take me a while to comment on that topic. So yeah, now just quickly talk about the pros and cons of this hair oil. Now starting with the pros, pro number 1, the oil is really lightweight, and therefore it will not clog your hair follicles, or you will not feel heavy, which is good. Pro number 2, that it definitely will help you with your hair fall. I can't comment on the hair regrowth, as I said, because it's not been that long, but it definitely works on hair fall. Pro number 3, you will need less product because this product is meant to be applied on your roots. It mainly focuses on the root health of your hair, so you will need less product, which will make it last for a longer period of time. So now coming to the cons of the product, there's just one con according to me, and that is it has a very strong smell to it, and the smell will not even go after you shampoo your hair. Okay, and for me, I can't even apply this hair oil at night and go to sleep thinking that I'll wash my hair in the morning. No, I can't do that. I usually apply it in the daytime. I keep it for 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours, whatever time I have in my hand. So I do that, and then I shampoo my hair. So even after shampooing my hair, the smell stays, which is a con for me because I don't like the smell of this product. So yeah, that's the con according to me. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.